Well, as you can see, price is just posturing just below these all-time highs here and looking to make a move up into blue sky territory sooner rather than later in our view. Now, it's quite typical that you'd get some posturing around here. This is in fact only about a point below the all-time highs, but what we do have here lurking in the backdrop is this type A bearish divergence. So we still may get a little bit of a dip before we force the issue here and head into the all-time highs. Overall though, still looking very bullish indeed. We've got this expected 5-wave move that we were looking at since those wave B lows were locked into place. That's all well and good. The wave 3 though only just got past equality, didn't get up to those extension targets, and that's why we're looking at the potential, and we've discussed it in our review tonight, of a subdividing 5-wave pattern within the final wave 5. The thing though that we've got to keep in the back of our minds always is that wave 5s can complete as soon as they go past the wave 3 highs. So we could also be completed here within the 5-wave pattern. Mind you, we haven't reached what would be a typical target, and the first typical target would be the 5th wave moving of the same length of the wave 1, and that tags 1590, so into high territory there. And then we've got a little bit of an extension target, or not so much, too much an extension target. It would be the wave 3 versus wave 5 equality coming up just over that 1600 area at 1618. So they're our first two targets. But as mentioned, if we got a dip here with this divergence and that fully unwound to the downside, then this could set up a 5-wave subdivision and the 5th wave being highly extended. So that would mean it would head straight past that 1618 area and onwards and upwards from there for the 5th wave. So it's something we're just going to keep in mind. Generally the wave 3s are the more extended pattern, but the 5th wave extension is something that is more common than what people think. Commonly seen in indices and also commonly seen on futures markets. So we'll just see how this goes. All still looking bullish for the time being, but we may still just get this little short-term dip before we break into those all-time highs.